warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how is life? I hope you are fine and always healthy. Okay, this occasion I want to tell an article that created by Hendra Herdiansyah under the title The Importance of Character Education. As we know that character of education is important. If the character of education needs some effort to be success, actually the purpose of education is not about make the someone clever, but also make someone has strong character. Show more than that. We have to practice, begin to learn devote about role in the school and discipline. The school also made character of education as a value that thrive well in the school and we have to prove it. On the other hand, character of education is an effort to involve all interests in education. Both of them is a family, school, environment on the society. Therefore, the first step that need to rebuild partnership and networking education that seems to disconnected in the school like teacher, family, and community. The establishment character of education would not success if there is no harmony. In the school, students have to get costing the good character, but all parents have to give an excellent reward. Thus, the household and family should be more support because family is a first process of the establishment character of education. In addition, not least education in the community, the society is also influenced in the character of someone. Usually in the society, we can learn values, norms, customs, and ethics. For character of education, students have to teamwork, discipline, devote, and responsibility. The important thing is students must practice in the society. Therefore, need implanted character of education in the student. We won't be the successor of nation that has good character, dedicated, high, honest, and trustworthy. Okay guys, that's all I can say. I do apologize if I made mistakes from beginning to the end. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.